in the heart of an ancient forest where light weaves between towering giants, a secret world stirs. Beneath the canopy, life thrives in the shadows, unseen, untouched, and utterly wild. Here, the glimmerwing glides silently across moss-laden branches. Its iridescent feathers refracting light like shattered rainbows, a marvel of evolution, or perhaps imagination. Many of these species are unlike anything known to man. Eyes adapted to perpetual twilight, skin that shimmers with the forest's breath. Each one a masterpiece in survival. But beyond the trees, where Earth surrenders to sea, lies another realm of wonder. A kingdom submerged, where silence reigns and light dances to a rhythm all its own. Coral citadels stretch for miles, teeming with color and movement. Here, every crevice is a cradle of life, delicate, chaotic, and impossibly diverse. And as we drift deeper into the unknown, one truth becomes clear. There is more life in the unseen than we've ever dared to imagine. This is the hidden wild. With AI, the impossible becomes real. And with Magic Maker, the world is yours.